Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you how you can crochet these maple seeds. We call them helicopters in the Netherlands because when you throw it up they come spinning around like a helicopter. So this is what I want to show you. This one is already blocked, but I did not stiffen it with diluted wood glue. I want to do that, but maybe when I have time I will do that so it's stiffer and I can put it on my fall garland with the other leaves. So this is what I want to show you next. I use the same yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. And first you are making a slip stitch. And then we need to chain 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So skip the first 5 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th chain make a double treble crochet. So that means yarn over 1, 2, 3 times, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the stitch, the 6th chain, drop a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So in the next stitch do that again, a double treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3 times yarn over. In that stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, in the next stitch make a treble crochet. So yarn over 1, 2 times. In the next stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the next stitch make another treble crochet, so yarn over twice. In the next stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the next stitch make a double crochet. In the next stitch make a double crochet. In the next stitch make a half double crochet. And then the last 2 stitches make a single crochet. And when you want to find your center, when you are crocheting further, then just put a stitch marker in that last stitch. And now we are going to do the same. We made the chains over here and crocheted on top of it, and now we are making chains over here and crochet on the bottom. So first chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So just make sure that it's like this. So we started here and crocheted over here, and make sure this is laying flat over here, and we need to crochet down here. So take your crochet work and then just go like this, and then skip the first 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th make a double treble crochet. So yarn over 3 times. In that 6th chain drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the next stitch a double treble crochet, so yarn over 3 times. In that stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the next stitch make a treble crochet, so yarn over twice. In the next stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So in the next stitch a treble crochet, and it's just repeating what you did on the first side of your seed. In the next stitch make a double crochet, in the next stitch make a double crochet, in the next stitch make a half double crochet, and in the last 2 stitches make a single crochet. And now the 2 sides of your seeds are done. Now we need to make the stem. So chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then skip that first chain, and in the next one make a slip stitch, and in every next chains make a slip stitch. So in total there will be 8 slip stitches. And then with your crochet hook go over this side and into this space and make a slip stitch, and then make a slip stitch in that very first stitch over here where I have my stitch marker. Let's go in there, make a slip stitch, pull out your stitch marker, and I don't have a scissors ready, but cut your yarn and just weave in your ends. And the best thing is to block your work, so your maple seeds will be laying flat. And if you want it to be sturdy, then just dilute some wood glue and just put it on your crochet work and leave it to dry, and then your crochet work will be sturdy and not this well, wobbly or this soft. So this is what I want to show you. And you can see the difference between a blocked maple seed and a not blocked maple seed. So I hope you liked it, and I thought it would be nice to make seeds too, and not just leaves for my fall garland. And so here's just one nice different thing for that. So if you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now I just wish you happy crocheting and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!